أعزائي طلبة وطالبات الصف الثاني الإعدادي، تحية طيبة. وبعد إن شاء الله في فيديوهاتنا هنحاول نركز على أهم النقاط في كل unit. And today we are going to talk about the most important points in Unit 14. Unit 14 is called Schools Around the World. Schools Around the World. As we know, we have studied some new vocab in this unit, and we want to do a review on this vocab. Let's begin with the first exercise with us today. Match the words and their meanings. Number 1, exam. 2, necessary. 3, nursery school. 4, primary school. 5, private lesson. And the last one, uniform. Okay, number 1, exam. Exam is a formal test, so we will match number 1 with letter B. Excellent. Number 2, necessary. And necessary, it's an important thing. You need it. Okay? So, yes, what you need to do or have. Number 3, nursery school. A place where very young children are looked after during the day. Number 4, primary school. A school for students aged 6 to about 11. Number 5, private lesson. It's a lesson that you go to outside school. The last one, uniform, is the clothes that some people have to wear at school or for work. Now, we have an important structure in this unit. Obligation. We use have to or has to talk about rules and things that are necessary, that are important to do. Okay? And the lack of obligation, we use don't have to or doesn't have to talk about things that are not necessary. But we are not free to use the one we like. It depends on the subject. So we use have to or don't have to plus infinitive, of course, with subjects I, we, you, they. For example, we can say we have to go to work on time. You have to be careful in the desert. People have to drive on the right in Egypt. Students don't have to go to school on Saturdays. If we notice here, we can see that have to followed by infinitive. Have to go, have to be, have to drive, and the last one, don't have to go. So, have to and don't have to followed by infinitive, followed by infinitive. And we use has to or doesn't have to plus infinitive with subjects he, she, it. For example, we can say Aya sometimes has to work at night. She is a nurse. He has to wear a uniform. Ahmed doesn't have to take a taxi. He isn't late. As we said before, that has to like have to followed by infinitive. Yes, has to work, has to wear, doesn't have to take. To make sure that we have understood this structure, we have an exercise. Choose the correct answer. Yes, number 1, you use a pen to write the exam. Don't use a pencil. Don't use a pencil as it's a rule. So we will choose yes, have to. You have to use a pen to write the exam. Don't use a pencil. Number 2, we go to school 5 days a week. Of course, we have to go to school 5 days a week. Number 3, it's a cloud today. It's not sunny. It's not hot. So we take our sunglasses. Yes, we don't have to. We don't have to take our sunglasses. Number 4, she does the washing up every day. She, and we use with she, has to, of course. Has to do the washing up every day. Number 5, you get up early on holidays. You get up early on holidays. You don't have to, or you have to on holidays, so you don't have to. Sorry, but we have to home now. We said that have to followed by infinitive, so we will use go. Excellent. The last one, does he, does or do followed by infinitive, so does he have to? We don't say does he has to. It's wrong. Followed by infinitive. Does and do followed by infinitive. Now for your homework, please answer these questions. What do you have to do before you go to school? And what do you have to do after school? And the last one, what don't you have to do at the weekend? Please write your answers and comments below the video and I'll check them for you.